Max, yeah! Oh my god! You okay? Watch your head, sweetie. Crazy but awesome. Oh, here we go.
Little guy, can you see where we're going? Can you look out the front window?
Can you see out the front window? We're going into the cave over there.
Alright. Can you see down
Alright. Woo. Here we go. Oh wow. Nice. Watch your head. You okay, sweetie?